Bridget here. Today I'm going to show you the most simplest of Anglo-Indian dishes, and that's a chicken pish pash. So you must have heard the term pish pash many a time. It's a colloquial phrase used by Anglo-Indians for a smashed rice. It's more like a soup rice. And this dish, purportedly originated during the time of the British Raj, and it was very famous during colonial times, and all our generations throughout have been making pish pash for us whenever we were sick or when we needed something comforting. So today I'm going to show you how to make a chicken pish pash. So just keep watching. I'll show you what's the most simplest ingredients that go into making a chicken pish pash. So first of all, you need like 2 tablespoons of oil, which I've already put into this pan. 1 cup of rice. Any raw rice you could use, whichever is convenient for you. And it's 1 cup of rice and 250 grams of chicken. Now you could use preferably chicken on the bone, otherwise even chicken mince or lamb mince or mutton mince or even boneless chicken. But today, since we are going to do a chicken pish pash, I'm using chicken on the bone, 250 grams, and 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. You could lessen the ginger garlic paste if you like, or just use even chopped ginger or chopped garlic. Then I have 1 teaspoon of peppercorns and just 1 piece of cinnamon. And we need mint, either fresh or dry. So I don't have fresh mint. I'm using dry mint, which I got from the store. And this is 1 teaspoon of dry mint. And we need around 6 to 8 measures of water, the same measure that you used for measuring your rice, the same measure. You use around 6 to 8 cups of water, because we need to cook the rice till it's very soft, and the chicken also has to be cooked. It's more like a soup rice. So come, let's get started. So I've added 2 tablespoons of oil into this pan, and I'm going to add the cinnamon and the whole peppercorns to it. Now just let it fry for just 2 minutes or even less. Okay, so this will draw out all the flavors, and now I'm adding in our ginger garlic paste. You need to fry this for around a few seconds only. So as I said, pish pash rice is very good for invalids and even as a comfort food. So we just fry this for about, say, 1 minute. Now to this, I'm adding in our chicken. We need to fry this till the pieces become firm. So you could make your pish pash in the pressure cooker if you like, or just simmer it down the way I'm doing. Slow cook your rice and your chicken. So you keep frying the chicken till it becomes nice and firm and changes color. This may take around say 2 or 3 minutes, because unless the chicken fries well, it would give out a nice taste. You can see that the chicken has roasted well. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add in my rice. Now you stir fry this a little. See, the rice was washed and drained. So now you just stir fry for a little while. Just maybe like for 2 minutes. And now we'll add in mint leaves. As I said, you could use fresh mint or dried mint, which is available in bottles in your stores. So this is the simplest of the Anglo-Indian dishes, which is the chicken pish pash. And now I'm going to measure around 8 cups of water. Now you can see that I've added like 8 cups of water. You can increase the heat first till it starts bubbling, and then we'll simmer. So now we'll just add an approximate amount of salt to taste. So now we cook this on high heat till it comes to a bubble, and then we are going to simmer. So as you can see, this is starting to heat up, and as I mentioned earlier, this is very easy on the stomach and it's very easy to digest. That's why it's given to invalids and to babies. So as you can see, pepper and cinnamon and mint were the main ingredients that went into this, nothing else. And why I prefer cooking chicken with the bones is because it becomes more strengthening, and the collagen in the bones are good for us. I let it come up for a little while. Once it bubbles well, we are going to close it and simmer. It's giving out a really nice aroma, very, very comforting. So now I lower the heat and I'm going to close it and let this cook. It's cooking well. It's reducing quite a bit, and the rice is cooking well as the chicken. This will take at least another half an hour on slow heat. So we need to cook much more till the rice is like very, very soft. Okay, and as you can see, our pish pash is ready. I'm turning up the heat and I'm going to allow it to remain as it is for the next 15 minutes. So as I said, you could cook it in a pressure cooker or you could just simmer it down the way I did. So you could add in a tablespoon of ghee if you like, to give it some extra flavor. You can see even the chicken is boiled really well. And here you go, a steaming hot plate of Anglo-Indian chicken Pish Pash. You could have this with just some pickle, or if you like, you could have it with an omelette. I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did, bringing this simple Anglo-Indian chicken Pish Pash dish to you. If you like this video, please like and share it, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.